Why'd you open it? Probably should open the door, eh?
Why don't you just yeah.
Why'd you do that? Because now it's not good. What is up, YouTube? Today we're filming a video on Mayo Pond. Currently just bought a boat. $5.75, pretty good deal. Came with swivel seats. That's what I wanted.
I got hit.
Apparently this little guy just got hit. I'm currently rowing to a... Okay, Parker, you're in my shop. Currently rowing to a new weed.
You're actually not rowing at all. And why are we moving? We just caught 30 fish here.
Because we caught all of them. And so, like, this is an intro. We'll see you guys in the video. Yeah. Jeez, y'all are
filming.
So rude.
Yeah, you need to catch a fish right now.
Oh, you're recording.
Woohoo!
Got one.
No, you don't.
You're recording.
Look, it's a little baby.
Little baby. Did that look legit?
Where's our fish? Oh my. Oh my goodness. That who's gonna play him? You pulled it up too soon. You pulled it up too soon.
You pulled it?
No, it's not even big for him. It's alright.
That's my TV right there. Like
6 or
14
7
inches. Alright, YouTube.
Parker, redo the picture.
With his tail, it's probably like 13. 13.
You might want to redo that because, like, you get something.
Where's it going? Yeah, no, you don't. I think it's a weed.
My word.
I think you missed.
No.
How are you feeling that you haven't caught a fish yet? Watch your language.
I can. Oh, it's pretty big. It looks like a smallmouth. Oh, dang, that's big. It's a smallmouth.
Yeah, too bad we don't have the net. It's gonna come off.
Big.
If we had the net. Just grab it!
Grab the line. That's like the one
That's like the one
Hayden has mounted.
I had.
I think it's like 4 freaking pounds.
It's the one I had and then it got off. Yeah, and you said no, it's not deep. Just hold it.
I think the scale's broke.
Just turn on.
Oh wait, it's in kilograms.
What would it say?
3 and 4 ounces.
Hey, don't take a piece of my fish!
You got it. You got it. You good? I guess I can get it.
This best. Yes! No!
Parker, don't do that.
That's definitely a tree. It's definitely a fish. I got. Never mind. We need a net. Oh my goodness! You might need a net. Grab it. Snag it. Grab it.
Pike and the boat is about to tip.
My phone's about to die.
Jacob's phone is about to die.
Parker.
Oh my god, it's a mess.
I got 4%.
I'm trying the tiny chatterbait. Down in Mayo still.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
I'm kidding you, idiot. Yeah, I could put.
Ah!
I'll put them on. 31 and a half. Okay, yep.
JPB. What was it previous?
24. That's a. No, it's about as long as me. So. Jacob's hooked up. Don't reel up all the way. A walleye. Beautiful day. We're in the back weeds. Jacob's hooked up. Don't reel in so far. Ooh, nice. Don't reel up. pull them in. Pull them up. Nice. Get the release. Heck yeah, swam off like a champ.
I actually rowed out here. Yeah, you Jacob did too. But I actually got left the anchor down while they were rowing. So. But yeah, see you in a bit.
Go give me some seasoning.
Cooking with
Seasoning for mac and cheese?
Yes!
What are you putting on there?
You gotta put steak seasoning on your mac and cheese. In the water, and then it will boil that crap up.
So we get some.
Stop!
Hold on, make a wish.
You ain't getting my milk.
I drove you to fishing.
How long have they been on there?